Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Gully Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well with good health and very happiness and have a lot of fun in your life. And this is Miasia, and today I'll show you in this video very attractive and stylish collection of Pixi haircut in short hair with beautiful hair dye, very attractive and stylish hair styling, and so beautiful overall collection. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about haircut in Pixi. Different type of cut in Pixi. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. And latest ideas of cut. Some ideas choppy haircut, notching haircut. Some collection bang ideas, chin length bang, nose length bang, and very beautiful ideas of hair dye, blonde hair dye, and beautiful shade of blonde you see in this video. Lightly blonde, dark blonde, dazzling blonde, ash blonde. Very attractive ideas of other shade of dye, burgundy color, black color, grey color, funky colors, light brown, dark brown, and so attractive ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color and in ash color and in burgundy color with dark base color, and some ideas in funky colors with light base color, and very attractive ideas of hairstyling. Fine hair hairstyle, curly hairstyle, full ideas of wavy and curly hairstyle, and some ideas spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, and so stylish ideas of messy hairstyle. Messy hairstyle, very beautiful ideas, especially for short hair for girls and women, and many much more beautiful ideas of Pixi haircut in short hair with beautiful hair dye, attractive hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look very pretty, and you look so cute. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me on my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. And thank you so much You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.